Hi, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to draw a cactus in a few simple steps. Grab a sheet of paper. I'm going to have it in portrait format, where that means it's upright like this, in this position. So we're going to draw the cactus vertically here. So what I'm going to do at the beginning is I'm going to start from the bottom. I'll draw a line for the cactus. It's where it's going to stop. Down there, and we're going to draw all the way upward. And when I do this, I think we're going to start with a pencil so that we can erase some stuff. So let's draw a line like this and then round it off, and then you could come back down. The cactus doesn't have to be perfectly straight. You can add a little bit of some squiggly lines to it if you want. So the second step, let's go and extend an arm, kind of about, not halfway, but maybe you start halfway with the top of it. So we'll draw a U shape like this, and then we'll come up, and then we'll come back down. These arms are going to be a little bit narrower and thinner than the main part of the cactus. Come down, hook over, and then curve it down like that. And then on the right, we're going to draw another one, but this side is going to be a little bit higher than the left. So let me start with shape right about here. We'll come out, and then we'll go up. Maybe this one kind of sticks out a little bit on an angle, and then it's a little flatter at the top. Then we're going to come down and then hook over like that. All right, now we can go and start drawing some lines and like these creases. So we'll go and, these again can be a little squiggly. They don't have to connect. We'll do two main ones here like that. We'll do a couple more from the bottom, coming up, maybe not all the way. And then maybe start one here in the middle, like that. And then we'll do a couple smaller shapes, these smaller lines that just kind of come off the sides like that. I'm gonna do a few over here. These ones can kind of go across like that. There we go. Okay. Now the next thing, we'll draw some spikes, but we can do that now. Let's draw. We'll start over here on this side. So these are kind of like the little spiky, thorny shapes. So you can make these super prickly and pointy. You can draw a lot. You can draw a little. Depends on how mean and sharp your cactus is. Again, you don't have to go exactly where I go. You can kind of have some fun and put them wherever you want. All right, yeah, this guy's getting really sharp. Doesn't look like he wants to be touched or anybody come close to it. Yep, I will definitely stay away from this cactus. Don't want to get pricked. All right, so now once you have those, we can do like maybe it's it's in the desert, so we'll just do a little ground line here, just like that. Now I'm going to go and pull out some of these lines with my Sharpie, just like this. And I try to stop where those prickly thorns are. Let's go ahead and color. So we'll do a green cactus. So there's our cactus. Hope you liked our drawing tutorial. Check out some more. Thanks for coming.